Hi friends, it's Miss Tanya, the Director of Faith and Family Ministries at Jerusalem, and my friend Benny, right? We are not able to be with you today for your Halloween celebration and your trunk or treat, so we wanted to read to you our very favorite Halloween story called Happy Halloween. Once upon a Halloween creepy, the Count was getting rather sleepy. While he nodded, nearly napping, suddenly there came a tapping, as of someone gently rapping at his castle door.
That's my friend.
Okay. A visitor, he cried with glee. I think they'd like some treats from me. But when he looked outside his door, he saw darkness there and nothing more. Trick or treat, a small voice cried. The Count jumped up in great surprise. Elmo, is that you I see? It is, said Elmo. Happy
I can't see my friend.
Halloween. We have to show them the picture so they can see too. Come in, the Count invited. My first guest, I'm so excited. But only seconds passed before they heard one tap, two taps,
No, but I can't see them.
and then a third.
I can't see.
Penny?
I can't see them.
When they took a glance outside, a frightening sight met both their eyes. A ghost, they cried with fear. Not me, they heard. There's no ghost here. Then Elmo noticed something more. He knew he'd seen those feet before. Big Bird, he asked, could it be you?
Mommy,
Yes, it's me, he shouted.
Fielder.
Boo!
Fielder.
It's fine. Again the door closed with a snap. Again they heard that tap, tap, tap. A trick-or-treater, Elmo wondered. The Count looked scared. The black sky thundered.
He's hired.
Mm-hmm.
Hired.
Through the window they took a peek, and what they saw made them shout, eek! A bony creature gazed at them. Oh no, they cried. A skeleton.
It's this costume.
The creature smiled, took off his mask, and the Count couldn't help but gasp. Grover, he said with relief, thank goodness, it's just make-believe. More friends arrived to trick-or-treat, and every costume looked quite neat. Come in, Count said, come everyone. Let's all have some spooky fun. And now the night was in full swing. The Count had planned for everything. But then, oh no, a loud voice cried. I hear a tapping from outside.
Those are the cookies.
Mm-hmm. Another guest, Count worried, wondered. Again outside the black sky thundered. He looked around, then looked again. All 10 friends were there with him. A monster, a pumpkin, a ghost, and a cat. Pirates, a robot, a witch in a hat. There was the knight and the skeleton too. So who was tapping? Nobody knew. Tap, 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 they heard once more. And then they gathered at the door, deep into that darkness peering. Long they stood there, wondering, fearing.
I can't see my friend.
Who could it be? What would it do? And then they smiled. They saw you. Hooray, you're here, said everyone. Happy Halloween. Come join the fun. The end. Say, Happy Halloween, friends. We hope you have a great day.
Hi, friends.
Happy Halloween.
Then I at the home.